Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make avocado oil using heat. First, select several ripe avocados, as their higher oil content is crucial for a good yield. Next, remove the pits and skin, then mash the green flesh into a smooth, uniform paste. This consistency is important for even heating. Finally, transfer your mashed avocado to a pot and begin heating it gently over low heat. As you continue to heat the paste, you'll notice the oil starting to separate from the solids. Keep the heat low and stir occasionally to prevent burning and ensure even extraction. The oil will begin to form small puddles on the surface. Once a good amount has collected, carefully use a spoon or ladle to skim the pure avocado oil off the top of the paste. After collecting the oil, it's a good idea to filter it. Use a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth or a coffee filter to remove any remaining avocado solids, ensuring a clean, clear oil. This step improves both the purity and shelf life of your homemade avocado oil. Once filtered, transfer the oil to an airtight glass bottle and store it in a cool, dark place. Your freshly made avocado oil is now ready to use. It's fantastic for high-heat cooking, salad dressings, or even as a moisturizing agent for skin and hair. Remember, the amount of oil you extract depends on the ripeness of your avocados and the duration of heating. Experiment to find what works best for you. Also, for those looking to gain a new perspective on personal finance, check the description below for a link to a highly recommended book, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.